So I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your minced meat to get the flavor and a bit of structure in there. The first, you have to have a very hot pan. I've got a bit of vegetable oil on my pan. Make sure that it is as thin of a layer on the pan as possible. And then I'm going to leave it for a couple of minutes. It's going to get a nice crispy crust on the other side. So I'm going to start breaking it. So what you don't want for your minced meat to start steaming. And this happens if your meat is too cold when you put it on the pan, or you have too much meat on your pan at once and you can't even it out quickly enough, or if your pan temperature is not hot enough when you put your minced meat on it. I'm going to season my minced meat lightly, just with a bit of salt and with some black pepper. So it's a good time to put any additional spices. And your mince is ready. And you're going to love this next beefy tip, so click here.